Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing this bomb ass look, okay? We are doing bomb, we are doing layers, we are doing curls, baby hairs, giving everything. We are giving a look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. All right, y'all. So for today's look, I have a super good feeling, and it's not many looks that I do that I'm super excited for, because you know, it could get overwhelming, you know, same style, same looks, like, you know, middle part, side part, like it's all, you know, stuff like that. But this wig is so bomb. First of all, look how thick it is. So that's all the way to the tip, all the way to the top. It has so many highlights in it, and the highlights aren't harsh. Did y'all just hear what I said? The highlights are not harsh. Let's look at these highlights. Look at how nice the roots are. I pre-plucked it, of course. Y'all know I had to go in, period. But look at these highlights. This is gonna come out so good. So as y'all could tell by the thumbnail, I am gonna give it a little bit of side part action. Don't get me wrong, I feel like I would have bodied this in a center part, but a center part is always my safe place. Like, it's just always a safe place. The side part, don't get me wrong, I could give you a side part if you want one, but I don't really do side parts so often. So as of lately, I've been trying to kind of do more side parts than anything. So we definitely gonna give her a side part, but the only thing is I do want to layer and curl this wig off my head. I don't know how I'm about to do this. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about it. I'm a little scared, but I think it'll come out way better if I layer it and style it off my head and then go on with the install and so on and so forth. If you want to know how I layer it and how I curl it, etc., stay tuned. If you want to just stay for the install part, then speed up a little bit, but we're gonna take our time and we're gonna work on she. So I'm about to put my ball cap on, and I really don't want to make this video too long, so let's just get right to the styling. Y'all, so now that I got my wig molded and as flat as I could get it as far as how I want it to be on my head, of course this is gonna be some baby hairs, but this looks so natural. Like, if I was just gonna put out the sideburns, and let it just go like that, that would have been so cute. Like, now I know what to do when I do like a more simple hairstyle, and maybe just give it a little bit of rhythm. Not for this hairstyle, of course, so I'm going in. But for now, ooh, she looks very cute. Very cute. I'm thinking, should I make a TikTok? Because I feel like this is gonna come out real cute, like very sexy. So we're gonna see what it gives. We're gonna see what it gives. outcome of the hair, and let's not act like this didn't come out mad fire. Like, let's not act like I didn't really body this. So I don't know what exactly I want to do with this side. I don't know if I just want to let it flow and do its own thing, just like let it vibe. But it kind of gives a little bit of something. Like, it doesn't give, I flat ironed it, I mean I hot combed it back and it's just sitting here. It literally is doing what it wants to do, and I kind of want to let it just do that. I also like how calm this curl is over here, because it's not giving you too much, but it's very much shaped. Like, it's shaped, its hair, it looks good. So ooh, I love this look. Let me know how y'all feeling about this look. I'm not really wearing it how I'm really gonna wear it, but it's doing what it's supposed to do. Tomorrow, we're gonna fully give it. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Like this video if you like this video. Comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Subscribe if you want to see more videos from moi, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.
Got a bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.